36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking around, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Jermaine Rook, ticket number U63502822. Count one, operating a medical marijuana care center without a license. It looks like there is a motion.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rooks. At this time, this is my motion to reconsider.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
All right,
May I, Your Honor?
yes.
I know this matter is fresh in the court's mind. It was just heard. I'm just bringing this motion back because I don't feel that there was enough evidence to find beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was running a dispensary based upon the fact that there was no testing of any marijuana, there was no pictures of any marijuana, and there was no marijuana taken out of the location. No one was seen to be buying or selling marijuana by the officers. And lastly, the officer didn't testify that he'd found any proceeds or had taken absolutely anything in his custody as evidence in this matter. I don't believe just his testimony is enough when the burden is beyond a reasonable doubt, and I'd ask the court to reconsider.
Any response, Ms. Horn?
Your Honor, the people proceeded at that time with the officer's testimony. The officer was a credible witness. The officer testified as to his training, his knowledge over time, and he was able to identify what was going on at the location and at this established, Your Honor. So the people would ask that the defendant's motion be denied.
Because this is your motion, Ms. Soroki, do you have any rebuttal argument?
I'm just gonna reiterate what I said, Your Honor. I just think the evidence is insufficient to find beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was conducting a business at that location on that evening.
This was a tough case, I thought, and I will say that I wasn't completely 100% confident in the court's finding when I listened to Ms. Soroki's argument as to what was not proven. And you are correct in the evidence that was presented that there was no evidence of any money exchange, of the officer seeing anybody selling it. I mean, the officer did testify that Mr. Rooks did indicate that it was in fact his business and that there was marijuana, and he recognized it to be marijuana. And then Mr. Rooks did say, while the court was making his finding, that he and his friends were watching TV or watching, I think, the NBA finals, and possibly they might have been smoking, which is legal and capable, and it's fine if you're just kind of hanging out because marijuana is to some extent legal. So I guess based on the evidence that after reconsidering the evidence, the court will find Mr. Rooks not guilty and will dismiss this with prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms. Horn.
Welcome. Thank you.
You're all set, Mr. Rooks.
All right, thank you. Y'all have a nice day.
Okay,
You
you
too.
too.